My favorite thing is sometimes when you're working with people that don't have Fluke tools, they're like, "Ooh, you got a Fluke." Yeah, I do. You're putting your life in your hands when you're testing electrical equipment. You want something that works and something that is good, and Fluke is the way to go for anything electrical. So I'd say daily we are improving our safety just by using Fluke for our electrical meters.
I really also like the Fluke tools. They're easy to use. You can just pick them up. They're reliable, great hardware, really easy to use, great support.
This acoustic machine is a big asset to Whidbey Island Naval Base.
I don't think I would like to do my job without Fluke tools. I use not only the thermal imager and other things, but I have a Megohm meter I use quite a bit. I have a few multimeters I use quite a bit, and temperature probes just for reading temperature, laser temperature. I wouldn't use any other product for what I do. If I'm testing electricity, I want it to be a Fluke product.
I like the acoustic imaging because it, in the long run, is preventing a major catastrophe. You know, I got 100,000 gallon silos of air. If that breaks, it could potentially have some major harm to somebody. I'm using it on motors and finding out that there's a vibration problem. Bearings are getting hot. It can show me a lot of different things. And we're using it all over the base. It's saving the government a lot of money.
I like the thermal imager because if I'm having an issue that I can't explain to management, or I can't explain to someone who's actually paying the bills of why we need to replace things, I can upload a picture of something that is too hot, and I can upload it to the asset so everyone can see it. And there's no mistake about why I'm saying that we have bad bearings in a motor, or we need to replace this electrical component because it's too warm and it shouldn't be this warm. And if there's a question about insulation in a building, I can take a picture and say, look, you're losing all the heat here in the winter, or you're losing cooling in the summer, because you can see all of it. If it's for a specific piece of equipment, that's how we track our equipment, is by assets. You can upload it to that asset, scan the barcode and put it to that. And there's no mistake about who put it in, what time it got put in, or whatever. And it's just a great tool. I love Fluke tools. They're great.